Hello, in this video we'll learn about the advanced hoops concepts, abstract classes, interfaces, polymorphism and encapsulations. Okay, so what is abstract class? So we abstract class consists of abstract methods and concrete methods here. Okay, methods consists of abstract methods and as well as concrete methods. Okay, here abstract classes are interfaces are used to define blueprints for classes and ensure that specific methods are implemented in derived class. They are important concepts in OOPS. Okay, abstract class, because if definition of class is used to define blueprints for classes and ensure that specific methods are implemented in derived class. Derived classes, the derived class nothing but the subclasses. Okay, they are the important concepts in OOPS. So, but Python doesn't have built-in support for abstract classes and interfaces. Okay, like some other languages, they don't have any built-in functions. Python doesn't have any. So, but it provides mechanism for achieving similar goals. Useful modules, okay, modules like ABC. We have to import this module, ABC module. Okay, abstract class and class inheritance. How we import it, we will see here. Okay, so the abstract method whose action is redefined in the subclass as per the requirement of objects. A class which contain abstract method is abstract class. Okay, in simple words, a class which contains both abstract methods and concrete methods is nothing but a abstract class. Okay, an abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated. Means we cannot create object here. We cannot create object for the abstract classes. It means to be subclassed by other classes. Subclass can create objects, but the abstract class cannot create an object here. And abstract class cannot contain methods that have no implementation. Abstract methods have some default behavior. To create an abstract class in Python, you can use the ABC module here. Okay, ABC module means abstract base class module. You have to import abstract base module meta class and the abstract method to decorator to define abstract methods here. Okay, simple words. If you want to create an abstract class, you have to import abstract base class module. Okay, see, like this one, from ABC import an ABC class. This is abstract meta class, so we have to import ABC and abstract method, or you can write from ABC import star. Okay, you can write from ABC import ABC come abstract method, or from ABC import star. Okay, if you want to create an abstract class. Okay, if you want to create an abstract class, you have to import this ABC module. And also abstract methods doesn't have any body, so we have to implementation should take place in subclasses. And abstract, we cannot create objects for the abstract classes, and abstract classes contain both abstract methods and also concrete methods. Concrete method is about instance method, class method, static methods. Okay, both abstract methods contain both concrete instance methods as well as normal abstract methods. Okay, so this is example here, simple example here. First we have importing the module, and also see here shape ABC here. Okay, we have to write, we have to derive, there is a derived class from this class ABC. Okay, we have to write like this one. If you want this is abstract class now. Okay, you can say from seeing this class name and also in parenthesis ABC, we can say it's an abstract class. And the decorator, if you want to create an abstract method, you have to write this decorator abstract method. Okay, and there is no body, as I said, there is no body for the abstract methods here. Okay, and class circle shape, and we have to implement in the subclass. Okay, shape here subclass, and here, so here you see written 3.114 cell phone. We have to see this area should be method override. Okay, override in the subclasses. The abstract methods overrides in the subclasses. Okay, but abstract method doesn't have any body. It overrides in the method implementation take place in the subclasses. Okay, see, like this one, we'll see with an example. Interface also, see, in Python abstract interface we cannot declare explicitly. In Java you can declare the Python interface explicitly, but in uh, Python we cannot declare explicitly. But if suppose if any abstract class consists only abstract methods, we can call it as interface here. Okay, abstract class only abstract methods, it contains only abstract methods, we can call it as interface here. Okay, if it contains concrete methods, means other methods also, we can, if it have other methods, then call it as abstract class. Okay, difference it is simple thing. And see here differences will be there here. See, abstract class interface, abstract class which are developed class and consists of abstract as well as concrete methods, is all methods of interface are abstract here. Okay, it is used, it is when we have to use abstract class, means when it is used when there are some common feature. Okay, there is common feature shared by all objects. Objects share, we have to use abstract class. Okay, it is used when all features need to be implemented. If all features need to be implemented, we have to use this interface. So okay, it's a comparatively fast and it's comparatively slow. So these are simple differences. Abstract class interface, we'll see with an example. Later we'll see polymorphism encapsulations. We'll see abstract classes and interfaces with an examples. Simple thing, first one. So okay, write a Python program to create abstract class and subclasses which implement the abstract method of the abstract class. Okay, how we will implement, we'll see. First we will write the normal program and then we'll convert that into the abstract classes. Okay, first we'll create the normal program here as some we will write a method, instance method calculate, and we'll create 3 different objects and we'll see. Okay, that one some simple. Okay, first we'll create normal method here. Class, my class, simple class. Okay, class. Okay, and create some normal method here to find calculate, like this one, calculate. Calculate here, self comma x, so I need not explain again what is self comma x here. Okay, print square of square value is equal to comma x into x. Okay, and next thing is that's it. Create an object now. Okay, create object here now. obj1 is equal to calculate. Sorry, not calculate. First create object here. How to create object, okay, simple. My class, this parenthesis. Okay, and call instance method through object. Instance methods only call through objects only. Okay, class methods you can call with class name, but instance method you have to call with object name only. Object dot calculate, takes a number, create another object, obj2 equal to my class, obj2 dot calculate here, right, another. Okay, and obj3 is equal to another class, create another class, obj3 is called my class, and also another method. Okay, another call another method here, obj3 dot, not another calculator here. Okay, calculate, pass any argument here, 6. Right, you can see, we see for this one method we created 3 different classes here. Okay, 3 different classes, object1 classes, object2 classes, and object classes. We will create the different numbers. Okay, so but in inheritance, suppose of course it works, the program works, but the requirement of all the objects is the same here. Okay, but to calculate square value, because requirement of object value is same, to calculate the square value, then the program is okay, but sometimes the requirement of the objects will be different, right, and entirely depend on the specific object only. Okay, for example, in the preceding in this program, is the first object wants to calculate square. Okay, well, the second object suppose second object wants the square root and third object wants the cube value. In such a case, okay, in such a case we have to use this. Okay, in such a case, because first object, because everything is a square here. Okay, because whatever the 3 methods we have calculated here, there's a square here, but but the suppose the programmer wants different values, square value, square root value, cube value, different values. So now abstract method comes into picture. Okay, how we will calculate, we'll see. First, if we want to create abstract class, we have to import it, abstract class here. Okay, import abc, or else from abc you write it, from abc import caps abc. Okay, and also abstract method. Okay, comma abstract method, okay, and we have to write in class, my class abc. Okay, so now this class becomes abstract class. Okay, abc means abstract base class. Okay, now this abc is a meta class, we have to derive from this meta class if you want to create abstract class. Now this abc become class, my abc become abstract class. Okay, not normal class, is now abstract class. So abstract class in abstract method doesn't have any body, so just take it out, this one doesn't have any body, just pass. Okay, means does not don't write anything. Now we will create different. Earlier we created only square. Now we will create different areas, different square value, different cube value, different square root value. Okay, with different classes. Okay, we have to take out this one. We have to implement all these classes in. We have to implement. I have said abstract method has to implement in the subclasses. Okay, so create suppose class, take square here. Okay, uh, this subclass now. It is a parent class, my class. Okay, my class. Okay, now define, implement this one. Okay, implement this method now. Self comma x, print, okay, print square value is equal to print square value is equal to, okay, x into x here. Okay, so we implemented here. So abstract method, this abstract method, sorry, and we have to create abstract method decorator here. Okay, if you want to write abstract method, you have to mention abstract decorator here, abstract method decorator like this one. Okay, so now this abstract method, the abstract method doesn't have any body. Okay, and we have to implement this abstract method in the subclass. So here we implemented, means here overriding take place, here we implemented exactly. So like this you can create another abstract also. Okay, this is one class, so you can create another class also, not only just one class square. If you take class cube here, okay, class cube, what's the parent class? My class. So my class here. Okay, so same thing, calculate self comma x, print cube value now. Okay, print cube value is equal to comma, how you create cube value, x into 3 like this one. Okay, like this one you can create another square root also, but square root you have to import math. Okay, how to import math, just import math like this one, import math, another class, creates up another subclass from the main class is square root from my class. Okay, and define calculate, same thing, implementing in subclass self comma x, print uh, square root is equal to comma uh, math dot square root of x. Okay, observe here, see, I hope you understand this one. If you want to create abstract class, you have to import abc method here. Okay, you have to use, sorry, not abc method, you have to import abc module here. Okay, you have to import abc module. In API module there will be a class, will be the meta classes abc and abstract method. We have to import this one as well, or you can import like this from abc import star also, you can write it. Okay, and also if you want to create abstract class, you have to write in parenthesis abc. Okay, this is meta class, you have to derive, we have to derive your abstract class from the meta class, this abc class. If you want to write abstract method, this decorator you have to write it. And abstract method doesn't have any body, and abstract method has to implement in the child classes. Okay, this is a parent class now. How to create child class, you know. Okay, square my class, cube my class here. Okay, this is this one, and we have to implement it with just overriding. Okay, just same method you created, and the create the body here in the subclasses. There will be no method for the abstract method, remember, no method, no body for the abstract method. The body should be implemented in the child classes. See here, for this one single abstract class we implemented three different child subclasses. Okay, now we create object here, and abstract classes cannot be created object. Okay, only subclasses can create object, but abstract classes cannot be instantiated by object. Okay, okay, first create the square root here. How to create square root? S equal to, okay, write in capital letters this one. Okay, caps S, cap C, s, okay, s is equal to square, s equal to square. Now s dot calculate square value of 2, okay. Same thing, create object for the cube, c is equal to cube square root of the cube, c dot calculate for 3, okay. Next object, create object for the square root, okay. So s q is equal to sq root and call method, okay, through object, call method through object here, sq dot calculate square root of 16, write it, okay. Okay, so observe what's the output now. Okay, see, 4 square value is 4, cube value is 27, square root is 4, okay. We got it here, observe here, okay. Remember first thing, okay, at the end of program, just I'm coming again here, so I will tell again, I will repeat it again. Remember, abstract method doesn't have any body, okay. Abstract method should be implemented on the child classes. Child classes, how you create, you know, the child classes, because method wouldn't take place here. So an abstract method doesn't have a body, that body should be implemented in the child classes with same abstract method name here, okay. Different, you can write different, you can calculate different methods here, okay, but you have to implement from this base class. And abstract class cannot, we cannot create objects for the abstract class, but subclasses can, we can create objects, okay. And if you want to import abstract class, if you want to create class abstract class, you have to import abc, okay. Abc means abstract base class, this abstract method, okay. So you have to write in abc class. If class my a class abc means Python interpret assumes it is an abstract class, okay. In Java you can explicitly write it abstract or interface, okay. And difference between the abstract class interface is abstract class contain both abstract methods as well as concrete methods, nothing but instance methods, okay, or class methods or static methods, whereas in interface only abstract methods should be there, okay. That's the difference, okay. So this, I hope you understand. Next program we'll see, okay. write a write a program to create a car abstract class that contains an instance variable, okay. Create a car abstract class, we have to first create an car abstract class that contains the instance variable, okay. One variable, instance variable will be there, okay. Instance variable, okay. Instance variable, how you create? Through constructor, okay. And concrete method, a concrete method is normal instance method, and two abstract methods. Now two abstract methods will be there, just that's it, okay. First we will create some class, okay, car class, and in the car class we will create some variable, instance variable, and also some concrete method, some instance method, as well as two abstract methods, okay. This we will create now. How we will create, we will see. Remember, one instance variable, one instance method, two abstract methods we will create in this program, just. And the 12th program, 13th program, 14th are interlinked, okay. So we will create with the separate files, and we will import, okay, with that. First cls here, okay. And you know how to create class method. First you have to import it from abc import star, that's it. Star means it will import our abc as well as abstract method, okay. So now create abstract class. Abstract class, how we create? Same, my class here, my class, caps abc here, okay. So now it will become abstract class, okay. So what's the question here now? Okay, create abstract contains an instance variable, okay. How you create instance variable? We'll create instance variable for registration number, okay. How you create concrete variable? For using constructor, how you, what is the constructor syntax? Init, okay, self comma registration number, okay. This instance variable we created as self comma is this, okay, comma registration number. So self dot reg number is equal to reg number, okay. So we created successfully instance variable, okay, through constructor. Use of constructor is that whenever you create an object, the instance variable are assigned the values are assigned to the variables. Okay, whenever you create an object, immediately the values will assign to the concerned variables. That's simple. Okay, that's nothing but instance variables. Okay, next thing we have created that contains an instance variable. And concrete method is nothing but instance method or class method or static method. Okay, so we'll create instance method here, some instance method. Okay, definition, some whatever open tank or whatever it is. Okay, whatever method name this is, definition open tank. Okay, and also you have to, for instance method, you have to write self variable and just write some, print some. Okay, fill the tank, fill the petrol tank. Okay, write any method. Okay, write any content. Okay, this is the instance method. See, instance method, you can write it here. You can write instance method have body. Okay, whereas abstract method doesn't have any body. Okay, and fill that petrol tank, simple, that's it. Okay, and next thing, we created successfully instance method. Next thing, two abstract methods we will create it. Okay, two abstract methods we have to create it. How you create abstract method? With, first we have to write decorator, abstract method decorator, and then definition, write whatever, uh, okay, steering will write it. Okay, steering self. Okay, that's it. Pass. Should not, abstract method doesn't have body. Okay, remember, abstract methods don't have body. Next thing, next abstract method define breaking. Okay, breaking self pass. Okay, we have to implement in the child classes. That's it. This program we created a one instance variable, one instance method, that is concrete method, and two abstract methods. That's it. Okay, and we have to implement this in the child classes. Okay, we have to implement this abstract method in the child classes. Okay, see, observe, nothing will happen here because we are not create any object. So next, this is one program. Next program is write a Python program in which Maruti subclass implements the abstract methods of the superclass car. Okay, see, this one, we, instead of my class, will be calling it as car. Okay, so that it will be useful. Okay, so that you can understand car. This car will have the registration number, tank, and other some abstract methods. And this car, here, this car has to implement the abstract methods of the superclass. Okay, this where Maruti car subcar will be there, we have to derive from the car. Okay, this methods and abstract methods in from car. So take it, go. So we have to import this first dot, this the name is first.py program. Okay, we have to import it. How we import it? Just import first. That's it. Import first. That's it. Import first here. Simple. Or else like this, from, or else like this, from first import car. Car means the car class here. Okay, this car class here. We're importing this class. If you want to import this car class in another program, from another program, we have to write like this one. From first means, first is the program name, import car. Car means this is the class name. Okay, that's it. And next thing is, okay, write some class name. Assume it as Maruti. Okay, and what's the parent class here? Car. Okay, Maruti is a child class, car is a parent class. Car contains two abstract methods, one concrete method, and one instance variable. Okay, we have to implement in the child class. So next thing is, okay, what's the child class here? Sorry, what's the abstract methods? Define steering and the braking, both functions here, both methods here. So we have to implement here. Okay, steering self. Okay, what steering Maruti uses? Manual steering. Okay, print Maruti uses manual steering. Okay, next thing is define breaks, breaking. Okay, breaking, we use Maruti uses hydraulic brakes. Print. Okay, Maruti uses hydraulic braking, right? So now we create this object. Okay, see, before earlier program we have created two abstract methods. The abstract methods are implemented in the child class here. Okay, this is a child class here. So now you create an object. How you create object? This m is equal to Maruti. Okay, pass instance will be created now. If you create instance variable, we have to pass from here. Okay, 101 m equal to Maruti 101. So m dot, so open tank, because from the this open tank from the super class. Okay, so means base class. And m dot steering. Okay, m dot braking. So now, okay, so now run this one. See, fill the petrol tank. uh, m is equal to Maruti 101. 101, why is not, it is not mentioned here. Okay, self comma registration number Maruti 101. M is equal to, yeah, self comma, yeah, sorry, we have to write here self dot, we did not write here self dot registration number. Okay, right. Observe now, fill the petrol tank 101. 101 is the registration number here. Okay, and Maruti uses manual steering, Maruti uses hydraulic steering. Okay, I hope you understand. See, fill the petrol tank 101. Maruti uses manual steering, Maruti hydraulic steering. These two methods are the child class methods, and in parent class we have created abstract method with without body here. Okay, and we are implementing these abstract methods in the child class, these two. Okay, and we are calling. Okay, so simple. So I hope you understand this one. Next, same program, write a Python program in which Sandro subclass implements the abstract methods of the superclass car. Okay, same thing. So we have implemented, using this class we have implemented Maruti class. Okay, same thing, using same parent class we will implement in child Sandro car. Okay, so simple, copy this one, Sandro.py, and paste it. Okay, and name it as Sandro here. Sandro. What's the steering of the Sandro? Is power steering. Power steering. And Maruti, sorry, apply Sandro uses gas brakes here. Okay, Sandro uses gas brakes. Sandro uses power steering. Okay, M is equal to Sandro. Assume uses 105. Registration number. Okay, you can pass instance variable argument through object. Okay, so I have to understand. See, first one is the Maruti one. Okay, first we created one file with abstract class. First created a file with an abstract class. Okay, and when these two, this add.py is a Maruti. Okay, this add.py is a Maruti class, and Sandro is a Santos class. Okay, and we are implementing this abstract methods in the both Maruti class as well as Sandro class here. Okay, same thing. Okay, fill the petrol tank, Sandro power steering banks. Okay, so like that. So I hope you understand. Abstract methods don't have body. If you want to implement abstract methods, you have to implement the abstract method in the child class. Simple thing. Okay, rest are same. Simple. The class overriding and also implementing, inheriting, everything. Okay, so that's about the program. Next, Next, interface. Okay, write a Python program to develop an interface that connects to any database. Okay, interface. Write a Python program to develop any interface that connects to a database. Okay, first we'll see the difference between the abstract class and interface is, in interface there should be only abstract methods will be there, or should be there. Okay, there is no concrete methods, and concrete methods are any static methods in the interface, whereas in abstract class both concrete methods as well as abstract methods will be there. Okay, should be there. In interface only abstract methods only, there is no concrete methods in the interface, and everything has to be implemented in the child classes. That's the simple difference. And okay, so this is a program about write a program to develop an interface that connects to any database. Okay, same thing, first we will create an abstract class. In child classes both we will create two subclasses, child subclasses. One is oracle subclass and another is sybase subclass. Okay, and we will implement how we will implement, we will see. First we have to create abstract class. Okay, first.py control a. First we will create abstract class here. Okay, how you create abstract class, as I told, from abc import star. Okay, and class my class, write abc here. Okay, abc caps abc. So I will not explain again these all things, what is abc and everything. So you have to understand, if you write abc in the parentheses, it is an abstract class. Okay, so and create abstract method now. Abstract method, write any define connect self. That's it, pass, simple. Okay, no body for abstract methods. Next, another abstract method, define disconnect self. Okay, so by seeing this you understand, I think, because this we have to implement these two abstract methods in the child class. Okay, so what's the child class now? We have created abstract method with abstract methods. Now this is an interface here. Okay, the interface consists only abstract methods. If the class contains only abstract methods, it called as interface. If the class contains both abstract methods as well as concrete methods, that called as abstract class. Okay, simple thing. And now we get subclass some class oracle, and we will implement that one. Okay, class oracle, whatever you can name oracle. So what's the parent class here? My class. Okay, my class. And we have to implement now, define connect self something right in the body, print connect into oracle database, connect into oracle database. Okay, simple thing. Another, okay, another, implement this method, disconnect method, define disconnect. Okay, and print disconnecting from the oracle db means database. Okay, simple. Successfully we created this one object. Next, class oracle, another class you take it here. Okay, same copy, same another class, control c, create another class here. Instead of oracle you can write sysbase or ibm, whatever you can write. Okay, so write sysbase here. Okay, sysbase, same thing, connected to the sysbase database, disconnected from the sysbase database. Okay, so I hope you understand. Okay, we implemented these two classes here, these two abstract method classes, these two abstract methods here. We implemented these two abstract methods in the child classes, nothing but method overriding. Okay, override. Now we will create object for the child class. What's the oracle? How to create object for this class? This oracle class. Simple. Object is equal to oracle. That's it. And call this connect and disconnect methods through object. Okay. Instance method should call with object name only. Okay. O dot connect. O dot disconnect. Okay. See, connected to oracle database, disconnect from oracle db. Okay. Same repeat for the sysbase. How you create sysbase database? Same thing. S equal to sysbase s dot connect s dot disconnect. Okay. But I want to take this from the keyboard. Okay. From this, I want this input. I want this input oracle or sysbase should take from the keyboard. Okay. Not from the programming. Okay. Not from the program mode. How you create like this one? Create another class here. Okay. Class database. Okay. From keyboard, we have to take from the keyboard. So store in string, take from the keyboard, input, enter database name. Okay, enter database name. Uh, Convert the string into the, we have whatever you entered the database name, store in the string, and we have to convert to the string into the class. Okay, so class name. Okay, how you create, how to convert the string into the class name? Just use class name is equal to, you have to use global function to convert string into class. Okay, globals. Okay, globals function, globals here. Okay, globals, and write in array str string. Okay, so we convert the string into the class name using the, it's a built-in function. The globals function returns a dictionary, okay, containing the current global names and global string. Okay, it's the name of the class, that is str. Okay, and also create an object to the class. How to create object for this class name? Simple. X is equal to class name and call x dot connect and also x dot disconnect. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, first we have to enter some database name, and we should convert from database name into the globals class name using globals function. And okay, and create this object for that class and connect with the object. Call the methods. Okay, connect and disconnect methods. With the object only we can call instance method. For class methods you can call it with class name also, but with our instance method, if you want to call instance method for object only, we can have to call instance method. First we have to create a class with, first we have to create object with class, and through object we have to access the instance variables or instance methods. Simple. Enter database name. I'm writing sysbase. Okay, sysbase. See, connected to sysbase database, respond to sysbase database db. Okay, next thing again, enter database name oracle. Okay, connect in the oracle database, disconnect from oracle database, like this one. Okay, so like this you can create through interface. Also you can write the program, you can implement methods. Okay, so now okay, next when you write a python program to check the object, next program, write a python program to check the object type to method. No, sorry, this program, this one, no, 16th one. No? Okay, write a python program which contains a printer interface and its subclass to send text to any printer. Okay, write a python program which contains a printer interface and its subclass to send text to any printer. Same thing, you have to write some to a couple of printer interface, implement some couple of abstract methods, and that abstract methods have to implement in the subclasses. Okay, like text, send text to any printer. Okay, this parameter as a text here. Okay, so we'll do this one. Simple. First you have to import from abc import star, create an abstract class printer. ABC. Okay, we have created abstract class here. Okay, ABC, create abstract method now. Okay, abstract method, and now create some print it whatever, self comma text, pass def disconnect. Okay, you know disconnect means disconnect method, self only, just pass. So that's it. Okay, so now we have to implement this print it method and disconnect method, abstract method. Okay, both are abstract methods only, abstract methods. Okay, both these abstract methods have to implement in the child classes. Okay, so now class pointer is an interface because only abstract methods are there. If it has any concrete methods, then we call as abstract class. Okay, so that's, now we have to implement these methods in the child class. Okay, class IBM. Okay, what's the, how to inherit from parent class? What's the parent class now? Printer. No, printer, this subclass now. Okay, subclass of this printer. Write print def definition, print it, self text, just print text here. Okay, something will print text. Okay, next definition, disconnect, self print disconnected from IBM printer. Okay, disconnected from IBM printer. Okay, repeat this the same for another class. Okay, implement with another class, use same thing, IBM, control C, IBM, instead of IBM write another name, Epson something or like that. Yes, Epson, same thing, and disconnect from the Epson printer, EPSON. That's it. Okay, so we created first interface. Okay, and also with two abstract class. First we have imported abstract class, and we have written two abstract methods, and this abstract methods implemented in the child classes. Simple, and create an object. So earlier program, we have taken input from the keyboard. Okay, in earlier programs, in earlier Oracle assist basis there, we have taken input from the keyboard. Okay, database keyboard, we are taking data from the keyboard. Now we will take data from the file. Okay, not from the keyboard input, we will take the input from the file. You know how to create file, how to read file, how to write file. Okay, so already I created file, this one config.txt. So epson is there. Okay, in config.txt is there, epson is there. We have to read this epson and have, and output should execute. Okay, so how we will do this, we'll see. Class user printer, right, and you know how to write, how to read file with open, you know files means. Okay, with open, what is the name, config. Okay, config file, that name is again config.txt, config.txt, write, w means write here. Okay, r means read here, w means write. I already written now, so just read it from this file. Okay, read. Okay, okay, with open config.txt, read. So store the whatever you did, store in string something, f dot read line. sorry, as f, we have to give as name, no, as f. Okay, f dot read line here. Okay, f dot read line means we are reading the whatever text is we are reading and storing in the string here. So next thing is we have to convert the string into class name. You know, earlier class we will see how to convert the string into class name using globals function. Okay, so class name, write some class name is equal to what are globals. Okay, globals and pass this str. Okay, simple, create an object to this class name. How you create class object? X is equal to class name. Okay, simple thing, x is equal to class name, and call the methods through object. How you call it? X dot x dot print it, no, print it method. Okay, let's write some text here. Hello, some hello, read it from the printer, whatever. Okay, and next thing, x dot disconnect. Right, see this. First I will come again. See, just with open, come with open method we have to read this file config.txt file, and whatever you have read it, we have to read the file and store in string. And we have to, if you want to convert this string to class name, you have to use globals function and create the class name object and call the class name object, call the methods. Okay, print it and disconnect, simple. What's the config test is there? Epson is there, so it will read epson here and store in string and the convert this epson into class name. Okay, and create that object. Okay, epson here, I epson on I epson here. Okay, epson, simple. See, hello, read from printer, disconnect from epson printer. Okay, just hit read in file and display the epson printer. Suppose if you config test, I am ibm, I am writing here. Okay, class name ibm, control s. See how it will display. See, hello from printer, disconnect from the ibm printer. Okay, because it read it from the ibm is a class name here. Okay, so class name will convert to the class name, and we'll store that class name in the, we'll create an object and calling the with a object name we are calling the class name methods. Okay, so that's about the program, this program. And next thing, 17th one is a polymorphism. Write a python program to check the object type to know whether the method exists in the object or not. See, polymorphism, this example is you know, have to know what is polymorphism. Poly means many. Okay, many forms. Polymorphism means many forms, many forms. Okay, so if a variable, object or method exhibits different behavior in different contexts, it's called polymorphism. What is polymorphism? Means variable, object, method exhibits different behavior in different contexts, because same variable, same object, same method exhibits different different behavior or perform different tasks, we can call it as polymorphism. Okay, simple thing. So there is no different separate syntax is there, just the with the program only we have to understand whether it exhibits polymorphism or not. So with a simple example we will check it. Okay, control a, delete. Okay, what's the example? We'll take the duckling example. So suppose take class here dog. So what dog will do? Just bark, no, bark here. How it will bark? Okay, bow comma bow. Okay, same thing, write another class. Okay, write another class here. Class, take some duck here. Duck some, if you take talk method here. Okay, talk. How dog talks quick. quack quack. Control V, and next thing is uh, human. Define human. Bark only. No, talk here. Human talks, no, not box. Dogs box here. Just hi, hello. Simple. Okay. So three methods we have created. Okay. From we created three classes. With three classes, different methods we have created. Bark, talk, talk. Bark, talk, talk methods. Okay. So now method create some method here. Method name, call underscore talk, whatever. Okay. Pass an object here. Okay. Pass some object here. Okay. And pass some object and check it if has attribute, means it checks whether attribute is there or not. Okay. It checks whether the object contains talk. Okay. Talk method. As attribute method checks whether object contains talk method. If it has talk method, just call that method talk method. Okay. Object dot talk. Okay. And else object dot bark. Else, so means if there is no talk in bark method, sorry, write elif here. Okay. Print wrong object passed. Right. Comma bark here. Okay. So elif. Okay. So we have created successfully. Now we have to call, suppose create the duck object from the class x is equal to duck. Okay. And call the method x dot call underscore talk. No, pass object, no, call underscore talk, pass an object here. Okay. Pass this object to this here x. Next thing, y is equal to dog method dog, same thing, call underscore talk, pass this object. Z is equal to human. Z, pass this object to this method. Okay. Observe the output here. See, quack quack babo, hi hello. The main thing you have to understand, this object is there, no, this object call talk object is there, so it exhibits different behavior, means same object only. See, sorry, you can write another name. X is equal to same object name, x is equal to human. Observe here. Yeah. See, because same object name, we have created same object, x is equal to duck, x is equal to dog, is same object name, it exhibits different properties. Okay. That's nothing but the polymorphism. You have to understand this is a polymorphism because same object we are passing through this method. Okay. And that object checks whether it has the attribute, checks whether it is talk method or not, and it returns output. Okay. It returns this talk method here. Okay. So object passed. Okay. Different because same object here we have created same object name, but it exhibits different properties, different tasks, it exhibits different behavior. Different behavior it exhibits. That's nothing but the polymorphism. That's example of the polymorphism. Okay. So definition of polymorphism is if variable, object or method exhibits different behavior in different contexts, is nothing but polymorphism. So there is no separate syntax for the polymorphism. Just you have to observe that whether your method is exhibiting difference to means whether your method is exhibit same method or means same method performing different tasks. If same method perform different tasks, you can call them it as polymorphism. Okay, many forms. Polymorphism is nothing but many forms. So we will see another example here. Okay, with the operator overloading example, because polymorphism consists of uh, operator overloading, method overloading, method overriding. Okay, we have already seen method overloading and overriding, and we'll see operator. What is operator overloading? Okay, with this example, write a Python program to overload the addition operator to make it act on class objects. Okay, see, one thing you have to understand in Python is a dynamic type. Okay, strong and dynamic. Strong and Python is a strong and dynamic typing. Suppose if you take a is equal to 10, b is equal to some er whatever string, print a plus b. See, it comes error here. See, it's unsupported operand type. Okay, for int and string, because it's a dynamic typing. It's a strong typing. Strong and dynamic typing. Strong typing won't add two different types. Okay, this integer and string. Okay, it's because you have to convert this whether this integer to string or string to integer. Otherwise, it won't perform, because it's a strongly typed language. Python is it. And also two objects also it won't, because two objects, Python won't add two objects. If you want to add two objects, so you have to write syntax like this one. If you want to add two objects, okay, define add self others. We'll see with an example that one how it will add it. Okay, suppose we have an example we will see here. Suppose we take two books and we will create two classes. With with two classes we will create two objects, and two objects we have to add it. Okay, suppose take class book x, right, and define underscore init self comma pages. Okay, and self dot pages is equal to pages. Simple, no? What's the error? Self dot pages is equal to pages. Sorry, self comma here. Self here. Okay. Next thing is class book y definition init self comma same pages only. Okay, as an instance variable self dot pages is equal to pages. Okay, and add these two objects now. Okay, and create two. First of all, create objects. For this one, b1 is equal to, how you create object for the book class, book x b2 is equal to book y. Okay, now try to add these two. Okay, try to add these two and pass some any number here, 100, 200, because we have constructor now, we can pass variables here. Now add these two numbers here. Now print add two numbers or total pages is equal to b1 plus b2. What's the output now here? Observe. See, unsupported operand type for book x and book y, because objects won't be added in Python. Objects won't be added, but there is another procedure will be there to add objects. So for that we have to use this syntax. To add objects we have to use this syntax. What this syntax means? The plus operator here is the plus operator is in fact internally written as special method. Okay, the plus operator internally written as special method, that is underscore, say double underscore add double underscore. Okay, So if you add two numbers, suppose if you add two numbers a and b, if you add two numbers a and b, the internal method called as a underscore add underscore b. Okay, and but by overriding this method to act on our objects, we can make the plus operator successfully act on the objects also. Okay, since we want to override, we have to write this method. Okay, write this method with same name but with objects as. Okay, I hope you understand this is about the operator overloading. Okay, because we can overload the plus operator. Okay, act upon the two objects and perform addition operation on the contents of the objects. This means we have to give additional task. Okay, we are giving additional task to the plus operator. If we are giving additional task to the plus operator, nothing but the operator overloading. This plus operator can work because this plus operator exhibits polymorphism because different values can add it. Okay, not only a and b, you can add c and d different values, you can add it because the same plus operator exhibits the same plus operator can perform several tasks. Okay, that means it exhibits polymorphism. Okay, this is operator overloading. So just copy this one. We have to write this one if you want to add two objects. Control C and write in the first class. Control V. Okay, and self comma other, self not self this is here, self dot pages here. Okay, not a here. Okay, pages no, pages other dot pages here. Okay, add return self comma pages other dot pages. You have to write this syntax. Okay, if you add two objects, we have to write like this one. See, total page equal 300. Now it worked. Okay, so this program we have to write compulsory. If you add two objects, we have to write this default syntax. Inbuilt, this is an inbuilt method. Okay, in self comma other. Okay, we have to write self dot pages. Whatever pages means whatever object you have write whatever variable you are writing in the buckets, you have to write that variable in the self dot pages and other dot pages. Okay, so that thing. And next program is also similar thing only. So write a Python program to overload greater than. We have seen plus operator here. Okay, and we will see now greater than. Okay, overload greater than operator to make it act on class objects. Okay, we have to suppose we earlier program we added with two objects name. Okay, this b1 and b2 with plus operator. Now we will see greater than operator here. Okay, so how we will write means just copy this one, control C. Okay, so it's class Ramayan, whatever you can class it here Ramayan, and same thing write it here. Okay, I think this is the same thing, no? So undo. Same thing, just change the name, you can easily observe it. Okay, Ramayan. Okay, same thing, same method here, same method, and observe here, and this is Mahabharat. Mahabharat. So b1 is equal to Ramayan, b2 is equal to Mahabharat. Okay, 100 pages, 200 pages. So problem is that, so what's the question here now? Write a Python program here 91. Write a Python program to overload greater than operator. Earlier program, write a program to overload the addition operator. Here the greater than operator to make it act on class objects. Okay, so we are writing greater than option now. So here instead of plus we are writing here greater than. Simple. So now we check it. Now we have to check it. If b1 greater than b2, if b1 greater than b2, print Ramayan has more pages. Okay, Ramayan has more pages, else print Mahabharat has more pages. Okay, simple. Output, check the output now. Greater than, greater than not supported. Okay, sorry, one thing you have to observe here. we have written greater than, no, is not add here, we have to write gt greater than. Okay, now observe, see Mahabharata has more pages because Mahabharata we have 200, no, it has more pages. Earlier we have taken plus operator, now greater than operator, earlier add, now greater than. So same thing you can apply for the less than, more, less than, greater than, less than, and whatever, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to. Okay, division, multiplication. Next program is a multiplication only, same thing. Write a Python program to over the multiplication operator. Okay, over the multiplication operator to make it act on objects. We have seen the plus operator, greater than operator, same thing. You just practice for as multiplication operator. Okay, simple, same thing. Okay, but instead of greater than, you have to write it multiplication here. Instead of gt, you have to write multiplication. Okay, and perform and write some task here. Okay, just assign variables and multiply with two values variables. Okay, multiply with two variables, simple thing. Just I already gave an answer for that, just you can check it, practice. If you cannot get, check it. Okay, so that's about the interfaces, polymorphism, and okay, encapsulation is nothing but, encapsulation is the concept of bundling data and the methods that operate on the data into a single unit is a class. Okay, and it restricts access to certain parts of an object, promoting data hiding and abstraction. So if you want to hide the data, if you want to hide your attributes, or if you want to hide attributes or methods, you have, means here, see, single underscore is a prefix indicating protected attribute. Okay, if you write variable with underscore, single underscore, it's a protected attribute or method. If you write a double underscore, if you write a variable with double underscore, variable or method with double underscore, it called as private method. Okay, protected method, this means is intended to use it within a class and its subclass. Okay, protected method or attribute can use only within a class or subclass, whereas private method is intended to use only within a class. Okay, it cannot access them from the outside. So examples using, so like this one, this, see, self double underscore is a self dot double underscore balance. The double underscore means it's a private attribute. This is normal, by default public attribute will be there. If you want to assign your variable to private attribute, you have to use double underscore. See, here because it is a public method, if in public instance method, if you want to make it private, you can write here double underscore. Okay, for protected, single underscore, for private double underscore, just okay, something it won't access. Okay, from outside if you access the private variable, you cannot access it. Okay, simple thing. Okay, so that's about the encapsulation is simple thing. Just try with the underscore and double underscore. Okay, underscore means protected, double underscore is private. Okay, for protected, we can subclasses can access the protected attribute or method, whereas subclasses cannot access the private attribute or method. In both protected and private, both classes can access. Okay, in only within a class it access, that's it. So that's about the encapsulation, promotes data integrity and then prevent unauthorized access. Okay, unauthorized access and unintended modification of object. So these are the simple definitions: inheritance, interface, okay, definition, purpose, multiple ends, implementation. So just go through this everything. So sample programs. Okay, just write how to know the definitions. Just learn the definitions, sample programs. Okay, practice the programs with different methods, with different attributes. Okay, so that's it. Okay, just practice the go through this again and practice it. Practice all oops comes are important. Okay, just go through it. Okay, that's it.